A correlation describes a relationship between two sets of data. A graph may show the correlation between data. The correlation can help you analyze trends and make predictions. There are three types of correlations between the data. Let's look. The first one is right here. It's called a positive correlation, and it's when all of the data kind of seems like it's moving in an upward fashion, okay? So both sets of the data values increase. So as X increases, Y also increases, and that's why the points are going up. A negative correlation is when all the data looks like it's going down. So it starts here, and one set of the data values increases. So X increases as the other decreases. So as X increases, you can see that Y decreases. And when X decreases, you can see that Y increases here. And then third is just a whole bunch of random points everywhere. There is no correlation, there is no relationship between the data sets. So those are the three types of data sets. So let's go ahead and look at a few examples. So in example 2, says describe the correlation illustrated by the scatter plot. It looks like all the points, what do you think? Is it a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or no correlation? What I see is all the points are kind of pointing upward. That means that as the x-axis increases, the y is increasing as well. So I would say that this is a positive correlation. All right. Let's look at this one, example 2. What do you think this is? Well, to me, this looks like it's going up too. It looks like it's a positive correlation. What do you think? Positive correlation. Well, I wish there was a little bit more variety with these examples. Let's look at our previous examples, see if there's... Let's go back to example 1. Ooh, that's fun. Okay. So this one here, what does this look like? Yeah, everything's kind of going down. So I would say that this is a negative correlation. If you thought this was a negative correlation, you would be correct. What about this one? Well, is it a positive, negative, or no correlation? I would say this looks like everything's going up again, so this would also be a positive correlation. So that's pretty much it for example 2. We will see you next time for example 3.